Okay, you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have an Amazon review from you guys. This is from Unice. This is a 24-inch 5x5 HD lace closure wig. This is body wave. This is the packaging that it came in. You have an adjustable strap, some eyelashes, and a bonnet. Okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead and unbox and unpackage the wig for you guys. Now this wig retails for about $270, and you're paying $270 specifically for the lace. This is about, I would say, between 150 and 180 density. So the density is not thin, but it's not thick, so it is the perfect density. Okay, what I want to say when it comes to these Unice units is that the hair has been really silky, especially from Amazon, and I'm just very intrigued when it comes to that, because, like, I've bleached one of these units and it bleached really good. So it does come with three combs and adjustable straps. The knots did not come bleached or plugged, so you are going to have to do a little bit of work. Well, it did come pre-plugged, but I did go in and do a little bit more work. For some odd reason, my footage where I was customizing and flat ironing this wig, because I have a new technique, did not record, or if it did record, when I transferred it over to my computer, it did not take. So I am going to go and show you guys me bleaching. I am going to use quick blue with 30 volume. I'm going to do a half a scoop and then a half a scoop of developer, mix it all together, and then apply it on the actual lace and let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Watch it process to see if I get the lift that I want. Once I get the lift that I want, I am going to go and rinse off that bleach, use purple shampoo, wash the wig with shampoo, and then condition it with silicone mix. So yeah. So we're at the stage where the wig is ready to be put on. So I was going to put an elastic band on here, but then I decided that I was going to use a spray to lay my lace down, so I didn't need an elastic band. If you're going to use elastic band, you would not need any spray to do this. So I put it on, and the side part was actually really cute. It felt comfortable, but if I was going to do this look, I would need to curve my part instead of going straight back, because that's the only thing that looks weird. But yeah, so I adjusted the actual closure, and then I am going to go ahead and pin back the hairs that I already pre-cut for the baby hairs, and then cut off the excessive lace. So after the lace is cut off, I am going to take my Red by Kiss. This is my favorite lace spray to use because it's not harsh. It doesn't have that strong alcohol smell either. And I'm just going to spray it on the front of my hairline and then lift the lace up and let it sit on top. I'm going to adjust it to make sure that it's sitting where I want it to sit. And then I'm going to go ahead and blow dry it on cool. So once the lace is dry, I'm gonna take my boho lace jelly, and then I'm gonna just lay my baby hairs down. Doing this will also help secure your lace down, but using the lace jelly is gonna mold your baby hairs to your skin. So if you do not like that look, do this step, and then after you're done, comb the baby hairs out. Okay, so the lace is a little light, so I am going to take some Ruby Kisses in the shade 16, and I'm going to pat a little bit on my front of my lace, on my hairline. And then I'm also going to take my hot comb, and I'm going to just press my hair down, make sure all of those flyaways are put, and that the top of my hair is flat. I love flat hair, like I just love it. It just, you know, it does something. So I'm gonna also take this hairspray that I use to lay my lace down. It's a 2-in-1, so you can use it as a styling spray and also as a melting spray. And I'm gonna just put some at the top, and this is basically it. Y'all don't even understand when I say I've literally been filming all day, and it's 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm trying to knock these videos out because my birthday is Saturday, Leo baby, and I am trying to turn up Saturday. So I have a sports bra on. We're gonna finish this video like this, okay? Let me move homegirl out the view. Okay, so this is basically the ending of this video. This wig looks bomb, okay? I could go in with some color on my roots. It's okay. It's okay. You know what she's giving, okay? So, for this to be... Ooh, hold on. Let me lower it down because I'm kind of short. Okay? Okay. 24 inches. Girl, she's giving. Okay? And as you can see, she's very silky. She flat ironed like a dream, like butter. Butter. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was a quick video. Something simple and easy, affordable. You know I like me some affordable wigs. You feel me? Anyway, I love you guys. Thank you for everything. All the views, all the support, all the continued support. You know, I'm trying to get back to my normal and my uploading. So, until next time. Bye, you guys.